Welcome to Simple Software Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort and filter in Excel. So what we're looking at is a cheat sheet that I put together for accomplishing the glorious achievement in World of Warcraft. So you don't need to understand what's on here, but you may have a spreadsheet that's similar. So what I want to do with this is I want to sort it by zone and the name of the boss that I need to defeat. But then I also want to filter it. So as I defeat each of these bosses, they will be removed or hidden from this list. So I don't want to delete it. I just want to hide it. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is I want to sort. So I want it in order by zone and then by name. So I'm going to click here in the corner to select everything on this sheet. You can also just select a specific area. So if you just wanted to maybe sort this, you could select that, but I want to select everything. So then I'm going to click on the data tab, and then I want to click on sort. Now there are some shortcuts here, but I want to do a little more advanced. I want to have a little more control over how I'm sorting. So I'm going to click on this sort button here. So one of the first things I want to point out is this My Data Has Headers checkbox here. So that means that I have headers here that help me identify what's in each column. Now, if I didn't have data there, if I didn't have some sort of header there, I could uncheck that, and that's going to include this top row in sorting everything here. But I want to ignore this first row. So the first thing I want to do is I want to sort by zone. So I'm going to select that. I want to sort by cell values A to Z. Now you do have some other options here which are pretty cool if you want to sort by cell color or font color, but I just want to sort by the text that's in there. So now I don't want to just sort by zone, I want to also sort by name. So I'm going to click on Add Level, and then I want to select name, and then same thing, cell values A to Z, or you can do Z to A, whichever works best for you. If I need to, if I want to change the round, sort by name and then zone, I can click on this column and move that up. So it would sort by name and then zone, but I'm going to put that back down. Okay, so if everything looks good, click on OK. And there we go. As you can see, we have it sorted alphabetically by zone and then by name here. So now what I want to do is I want to filter. So you can have it all selected, or I don't think you have to actually have it all selected to filter, but you just click on filter, and what you'll see is there are now these little drop downs here. So what this does is if I want to focus on just a specific zone, so say I'm in Jade Forest, I can click on here. I'm going to unselect all, and then I'm just going to select Jade Forest. So I'm going to click on OK, and what this does is this hides everything else that's not in Jade Forest, and it's still there because you can see there's some numbers missing here. So it goes from 1 to 17 and then 24 to 68. So we know that stuff is hidden, but that makes it really easy to just zone in on a specific thing here. Now I can go back and I can just select all, and that's going to put it back to how I want it here. So now say I'm out there and I'm getting these bosses, so I'm just going to put an X next to the ones that I get, and this is just at random, but as I would go through, I would do that, right? So now what I can do is if I want to display only the bosses that I have not yet defeated, I'm going to click on this arrow here, and I'm going to uncheck select all, and I just want blanks. So I don't want to see those that I've completed, so it hides them. So again, you'll see those little gaps here for the bosses that I've completed. So this is a pretty handy way of looking at just specific data. It's not super complicated to work with. And of course you can always undo it. If I decide that I don't want a filter anymore, I could just click on filter and it removes it. So it's really simple to work with. So I hope this was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tutorial videos. Leave a comment if you'd like. If you have a question or idea, let me know. And have a great day. Thanks so much for tuning in.